The first important thing to ask is, how much will it cost for me or my business to acquire construction software? The first query might not even be this one, according to engineering software specialists. Despite how technical it may be, inspiring developments in hardware components have recently been made. New hardware innovations coexist intelligently with recent technological advances. Let's see how they can change and future-proof your business. Self-healing concrete. Every year, millions of pounds are spent on upkeep, repairs, and restoration of bridges, buildings, tunnels, and highways. This is due to the fact that all concrete ultimately cracks and requires restoration. A building's lifespan may be extended by years because of self-healing concrete, which would also save a ton of effort and money. Are you confused about how this works? Well, when water seeps through a crack, the science underlying this mechanical marvel becomes apparent. The bacteria that were mixed in during the mixing process becomes active once more. The crack is repaired after the bacteria is active and excretes calcite. Due to the inherent characteristics of concrete and the breakdown of calcium, this reaction of cement with water aids in the repair of hairline fractures. All of these actions are defined by concrete's durability, which is one of its properties. The materialistic quality of durability aids concrete in defending itself against any chemical or physical attacks. Tiger stone. Building a new road is always a labor-intensive process that can take many days to finish. However, the process of paving a new road is now as easy as ever. The Tiger Stone paving machine was initially developed by Dutch industrialist Henk van Kwik, the company's director. Known as the Tiger Stone for good reason, this amazing device can lay bricks in the ideal pattern for paving, generating roads instantly wherever it goes. The trade secret underlying the idea is found in a cleverly designed gravity-based system. Despite the fact that the entire process seems like it belongs in a science fiction film, all a contractor needs to do is use a tamper to smooth out the newly constructed brick road surface. Compared to a single conventional paver, which would have handled 75 to 100 meters a day, construction workers can lay out at least 300 square meters of the road with the Tiger Stone machine. 3D laser scanner. The 3D laser scanner is one of the newest building technologies in the AEC sector. It is constantly an innovation due to its interoperability and yearly changes. It's renowned for its capacity to scan and examine actual objects. It's been used for on-site surveying, mapping, project inspection, safety, and many other construction-related duties. Construction planning is made simple and significantly cheaper because of its precision. Do your construction projects make use of this technology, or are you still investigating its possibilities? So how does technology fit into modern construction? In particular, laser scanning is the beginning point for site design, often even before BIM. Today, a lot of experts use the scan-to-BIM approach of design to gather thorough data and start and control the process early. The great level of information that 3D building scanners acquire enables owners and facility managers to produce a permanent as-built record. In the end, this information can be useful for building maintenance, repairs, extensions, and even demolitions. Now is the moment to start considering how you're going to be implementing the technology going forward, if you haven't previously done so on your company's project. 3D printing. With this unprecedented design freedom, little material waste, and quick production times, 3D printing technology has the potential to completely transform the construction sector. Although it's not as common as BIM, 3D printing is one of the newest technologies in the building sector. 1995 saw the introduction of this technology, which involves creating three-dimensional buildings from digital models. The process of using 3D software to create 3D models is now popular in 2023. So, how does this technology work? While construction can reap a variety of advantages from 3D printing, it provides a level of design flexibility never before possible, lower material waste, and speeds up construction considerably. Complex architecture forms can now be made using technology that would be difficult to accomplish with more conventional techniques. Additionally, it can be more economically and encourage sustainability by reducing waste. Government initiatives to promote the use of 3D printing are many and are currently under construction on a global scale. Dubai, where 25% of buildings must be constructed using 3D printing technology by 2030, is one of the places that has decided to take the lead in this race. 4D simulation. One of the newest technical options to reduce time and expense for on-site and off-site projects is 4D simulations, which are in line with the construction industry's ongoing quest for optimization. Construction companies are looking for ways to use these 3D BIM models for later construction workflows, as 3D building information modeling remains the technology-enabled procedure for design delivery. Engineers are now integrating 4D modeling into their work processes. The idea gives the 3D CAD model a time dimension, allowing teams to analyze the order of events on a timeline and see the fulfillment of construction activities. This idea can be expanded so that more dimensions stand in for other kinds of information that are contributed to the 3D model context. Have you ever wondered about the benefits? While 4D construction is gaining ground alongside its 5D counterpart, 3D BIM is already a crucial component of construction projects all over the world. This technology's primary goals are to improve construction scheduling, 4D construction visualization, material use optimization, project coordination, and project safety. Operable roof systems. Since we spend most of our time indoors, whether at home, at work, or on vacation, combining the advantages of nature with indoor comforts have become the goal. It's simple to forget that the outdoors may genuinely be an extension of our living spaces when we lead hectic lives. Year-round use of significant outdoor space enhancement are made possible by operable roofs. When the weather is bad, rooftops, bars, restaurants, and hotels all lose a lot of money. That is, unless they have retractable roofs. Furthermore, if the weather doesn't allow it, homeowners are unable to enjoy their pools all year round, ideal for a variety of uses. Your outside space may quickly convert your restaurant, bar, hotel, or home from an outdoor to an interior area while maintaining the outdoor atmosphere all year round. This technology is usually used in several restaurants and buildings to create the space as a multi-purpose area. What are your thoughts on this invention? Robotics in construction. One of the most important industries in the world economy is building. Robotics integration in the construction industry has lagged behind other industries since it is among the last to begin the journey towards automation and digitalization. This is caused by a number of things, including the price of labor or the process's lack of preparation. Anyway, let's look at what robotics can do in the construction field. The use of autonomous mobile robotics in construction is already prevalent in many fields, including architecture, masonry, demolition, and infrastructure. Despite being decades-old technology, construction robotics has only recently experienced a surge in popularity. Robotics and automation can be used to execute numerous repetitive and time-consuming tasks more swiftly. Robotic construction also reduces losses brought on by human error and wariness. Bricklaying, welding, rebar tying, painting, and other tedious tasks, for instance, can be perfectly automated by collaborative robots. Robotic technology was used in the construction of the Sea Urchin Pavilion in Germany. This pavilion was made by the University of Stuttgart research team using robotic arms to produce the plywood laminate plates. The goal of the team's Sea Urchin-inspired structure was to showcase robotics' talents to both design and construction. What are your thoughts on robotic construction? Hadrian, a bricklaying robot, interlocking and arranging the bricks for construction in a traditional way. At the same time, when it comes to constructing massive buildings, it seems difficult for an individual or a team. What if a robot can do that like a human does? FBR in Australia produced Hadrian, a bricklaying robot, while construction robotics in the US developed the SAM 100. This is how one of the most established sectors of the building is being disrupted by these two robots. When it laid 1,000 bricks in an hour in 2016, this robot grabbed attention. In order to put this into perspective, human bricklayers can normally lay between 300 and 500 bricks in a day. The highest amount of bricks poured in an hour is 914. Additionally, it can construct curved walls and lay bricks around corners because of its telescoping arm. Hadrian has constructed display homes in Dayton and many other places. You think that this is an amazing invention? Construction technology advances will always revolve around how to build more quickly and intelligently, more sustainably, and with diverse types of housing. Construction innovations and building materials will continue to progress. Who knows what is ahead? What are your thoughts of these technologies? If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like more updates on technology, subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to not miss out on any video and to get notifications on time. We'll see you in the next one.